Ronnie, seryoso? Open forum talaga? Eh di sana sa office na lang tayo nag-team building.
Okay, who's gonna start?
Sana magkaroon tayo ng mental health day. Nakakabalo rin po kasi yung trabaho natin.
Gusto ko po sana ng mentorship program.
Sana magkaroon tayo ng free shuttle service para sa mga employees natin.
Nakikinig po pala talaga kayo, boss, no?
Sec Kim, siguro naman alam mo kung paano ko alagaan yung mga taong mahalaga sa akin. What's next?
It's time for Heart Hunting!
I guess we're on the same team.
Hindi yan yung nabunot niyo kanina, di ba po?
So you were paying attention to my heart. Hindi mo ba sasagutin yan? I don't want you talking to my brother.
Boss, may personal din naman po akong buhay. Hindi lang naman po puro trabaho.
Di ko alam paano sisimulan. Pwede bang saglit lang? Kasi kahit napigilan, nararamdaman, ano naman? Kumakatok ang nakaraan sa puso, siya pa rin nilalaman. Ngayong ikaw na nga ang nasa harapan, sapat bang ikaw na lang? Kaya lang hindi ikaw siya, pero sana nga ay ikaw siya. Kung saan tabi ang lapit, ikaw, sana ko ba? Wala po akong
Sa ulan?
Nandiyan ka na, siya ang dinadalangin, pero ikaw dumating.
It's fine, wala na yung gagamba. Huwag ka na matakot.
Sigurado po kayo?
I negotiated with it and I asked it to leave us alone. If you don't mind me asking, saan nagsimula yung fear of spiders mo?
May malaking gagamba. Pigit ka lang. Pigit ka lang, ha. Tatanggalin ko lang yung gagamba. Diyan ka lang. Ninja Boy! Ninja Boy! Ninja Boy, natatakot na ako! Ninja Boy, huwag mo akong iwan!
Nung nakidnap po ako. Boss, alam ko na po yung sasabihin mo. Bakit binabalikan ko pa yung trauma ko kung hindi naman maganda yung nangyari.
When it happened, my whole family was devastated. Everyone was fighting, everyone was pointing blame at each other. Muntik na rin maghiwalay yung parents ko. That's why I know how it feels. And I'm sure something similar happened to your family as well.
Hindi naman po ganun yung nangyari sa amin. Hindi naman po nag-away si Mama at si Dada. Nung makabalik po ako sa bahay, nawala na po si Mama. Namatay po siya habang hinihintay niya po ako makabalik sa bahay.
That's why I keep telling you to just forget about the past.
May maganda naman pong lumabas eh. Kahit pa paano.
Si Ninja Boy na naman. The kidnapper was looking for Ninja Boy and not you. Nadamay lang kayo. Kayo ng mama mo.
Importante pa po ba yun, boss? Eh, pareho lang naman po kami nahirapan ni Ninja Boy eh.
Instead of embracing Ninja Boy, you should blame him.
Sisihin po saan?
It was Ninja Boy's fault kaya ka nawala sa family mo, and it's his fault kaya... That's why your mother passed away.
Pero, katulad ko, bata pa rin nun si Ninja Boy eh. So bakit ko siya sisisihin sa isang bagay na pareho naman kaming walang kontrol? Gaya ko, biktima rin po siya.
Well, it looks like we're gonna be here for some time. Baka gusto mo? I think we're gonna be here for a while. Magagabi na. Hindi pa rin tumitigil yung ulan.
Enjoy na lang po muna natin ito, boss. Okay na po ba kayo, boss?
Yeah, I'm fine. Ginawin lang talaga ako. Remember?
Pala.
What are you doing?
Para hindi po kayo ginawin, boss. Ano ba?
Yeah. Nine.
Okay na?
We turn the spotlight on a remarkable achiever, the best-selling author, Cyrus Castillo, famously known as Morpheus. But behind his literary acclaim lies a captivating story about his literary genius and the unique bond he shares with our beloved Vice Chairman.
So what do you think, Mr. Chairman?
Ano? I like it.
Kung may gusto kang ipa-revise, just say it.
If it's good for you, it's good for me now. Good job, everyone.
Ako may gusto akong ipabago. You see, Philip, Cyrus is not just Brandon's kuya. Kaya nga siya kinuhang speaker. He is also a best-selling author with a huge fan base. So ba't di tayo mag-focus sa mga achievements niya? Posible naman yun, di ba?
We will make it happen po.
Ayan. Parang tumila na. Ha?
Second,
Boss?
you will get hurt.
Po?
Even if you don't blame Ninja Boy for everything that happened with you and your mom, yung memories na matitrigger niya can and will hurt you. It's not easy, Sekim.
Alam ko naman po yun. Pero, kailangan ko po to eh.
I mean, what for? We're fine as it is. Okay naman tayo.
Tayo?
Yeah, I mean, tayo in general. Everything's fine. Gusto mo pa bang magulo ang lahat ng to?
Gusto ko pong mabuo, boss. Talaga?
If you really want to know the truth about Cyrus, then by all means, hindi na ako mangingialam, hindi na kita pipigilan. If you can handle it, then I can handle it.
Ano ka ba? Wala nga yan dyan. Nasa labas yun.
Hindi nga, nandito nga lang yun.
Ay, nakukulit mo. Halika na, labas na tayo.
Pwede sige, lumabas ka dun.
Nakakawat ang iwan eh.
Ha? Bakit?
Anong bakit? Halika na. Hanapin na sa...
Hindi. Yung totoo. Ba't mo ba ako?
Ba't mo naman tinatanong?
Tinatanong mo ako kanina eh. Payback lang. Ano?
Oo. Sakto lang. Pwede na.
Pwede na. Grabe siya oh. Ang dami ko kayong pinayak nung college.
Alam mo, naniniwala naman ako dun. Ay, halika na.
Kaya ano nga pwede na?
Pwede na. Saktong-sakto. Baka kasi pag sumobra, di na ako makarecover eh.
Bakit?
Wala! Miss Sarah, wala.
Wala lang point lahat ng to. Nag-text na si Sir Walter, may nanalo na.
Ha? Halika na, labas na tayo. Nanalo na pala eh.
Don't worry po. They are already revising the AVP based on your comments, ma'am.
Thank you, Philip. Pero si Cyrus, meron pa siyang isa-suggest na ipapadagdag.
Hayaan mo na si Cyrus.
Go ahead, Anak.
Thank you, Mom. Napag-usapan na namin ni Secretary Kim that I'll be reading excerpts from my upcoming unpublished novel. Naisip ko isama yung setting ng novel ko, which is in Casa San Diego. That's a special place for me and my family kasi.
Of course, sir. Anything you want.
Thank you, Philip.
Yay! Congratulate naman natin ang ating successful Heart Hunter!
Yes! Ayan, Sir Walt, kailan po namin makukuha yung premyo?
Okay lang yan. Pag-usapan namin ni Sec Kim, tapos sabihin ko kayo kagad. Okay? Pero please, don't forget naman guys na ang goal ng game is for everyone to know each other better. Okay?
Sir Walt, we know each other naman na.
Bago po si Kim Marie at si Ronnie.
Tama.
Oo, si Balto din.
Oo nga, Baldo. Alam mo, wala kaming masyadong alam tungkol sa'yo.
Like, nagsasalita ka ba?
For example, Baldo, may asawa ka na ba?
Naku, hindi po. Wala rin akong nobya.
Ano bang type mo sa girl?
Ano po, yung sweet, mabait, at higit po sa lahat, yung cute.
Perfect! Kasi wala niyan dito eh.
Boom!
Ay, naku.
Finally.
Si Boss BMC. Si Boss BMC. Guys, tayo. Boss BMC, po kayo galang. Nag-alala po kami sa inyo.
Na-injure po ba kayo?
No, we got stuck in the rain, but it's fine now.
I'm sure gutom na po kayo. Kain na po kayo.
Tapos na ata kayo kumain.
Eto po.
Saging.
It feels so good na lumabas. Kasama kayo. Sayang. I wish Brandon was here to join us.
I'm sure if he wasn't busy, he would want to be with us too.
Dad, I just want to say thank you for supporting me at the office.
You're welcome, anak. Well, it's been a long day, and I'm going to head to bed soon, so I shall say good night.
Good night, Dad.
I'll rest too.
Mom, I just want you to know that I don't take anything that you do for me for granted. Thank you for everything.
Cyrus, family is everything. I know you know that. Good night. You sleep tight. It's cold.
Taran!
Oh, walang tinapay?
Sabi niyo po, di ba, boss? Carbs on carbs yun.
Well, I don't mind.
Surprise!
Perfect. Oh, by the way, I have to leave later this evening to prepare for the meeting with the park group tomorrow.
Sige po, boss. Miligpit ko lang po yung mga gamit ko.
No, ako lang ang aalis and you can stay here.
Pero, boss...
I can handle it. You can just stay here and enjoy your time with the team because you also deserve a break.
Copy po.
Oh, by the way, when you get back tomorrow, I'll have something amazing prepared for you. Thanks again for dinner. Bitin pa nga eh.
Pwede ko pa naman po kayo pagluto ulit.
No, get some rest. Today was great.
Sekim!
By the way, after going home tomorrow, let's have dinner at my place.
Copy po, boss.
Good night.
Good night, boss.
I'm looking forward to our partnership.
We share the same sentiments, Mr. Park, and we look forward to what both our companies can achieve together.
SUI but you will be working closely with my son. He's arriving in a few weeks to oversee the operation.
That's perfect, sir. And we're excited to meet him. Thank you again, Mr. Park.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you, Mr. Park.
Thank you.
Parang may something, ah. You look exceptionally happy, Mr. BMC.
Well, of course I'm happy, and you should be happy too. We just closed the deal with the Park Group. That's 150 million in revenue.
Right. So, it's time to celebrate. Let's.
Sure. Let's hit the grocery.
Grocery? Bakit? Ba't tayo pupuntang grocery?
Basta, sumama ka na lang sa akin.
Alam mo, may iba talaga sa'yo eh. Una, pumayag ka dun sa mga bagong demand si Cyrus sa AVP. Tapos ngayon, mag-grocery tayo? Nanuno ka ba dun sa team building nyo?
What's nuno?
So, pagdating sa steak, bro, it's all about making sure na hindi magdadry yung meat, okay? So, we need to salt it 40 minutes before. Ito ang the best dyan, kosher salt.
Okay, so that's it. You just put some oil, salt, then voila?
No. That's not it. You don't put oil sa pan. Brush natin yung meat with oil and then seasoning. Ganon. O, teka. Tanungin ko lang si Steph, ano nga uling brand yun?
Philip, you should respect her boundaries. Yeah, you should give Steph some space. Hindi lang naman sa'yo umiikot yung mundo niya eh.
Wow, nagsalita. Sa'yo talaga galing. Teka, nagkausap ba kayo ni Steph?
Don't be defensive. As leaders, we should always be willing to learn and to listen.
Okay. Prepare to be blown away, bro. Kung natikman mo yung luto ko, baka magka-identity crisis ka. Bro? Uy! Bro! Bihira ka. Wala na pala akong kausap. Mamadali ka ba? Bro, nakalak.
Thanks for the tips, Philip. Mauna na ako.
Wait, what?
Don't worry. Pinabok na kita ng masasakyan. Mag-grab ka na lang pa uwi.
Teka, saan ka pupunta?
To do something amazing.
Bro, uy, bro, nag-grocery. Saglit lang, uy, buksan mo to. Uy, bro, pasakayin mo ako. Bro, uy, madidisgrasya ako nito. Bro, sandali. Bro.
Grab car po for Sir Philip Alvarez.
Yeah, that's me.
Pasok na po.
Bitin ang getting to know.
Padaan nga!
Ay, sorry. Pwede namang ituloy ang getting to know you.
Uy! Pauwi pa lang kasi. Landitex agad.
Ha? Hindi Katext ko utol ko, no?
Utol? Sobrang close mo ng utol mo. Ngiti-ngiti ka eh.
Huwag niyo na po ako ipasundo, boss. Magko-commute na lang po ako.
Back to work na naman! Paano kasi isa dyan? Imbis na pumarty tayo, nagpa-open forum pa.
May time pa naman. Sulitin na lang natin. Ano naman?
Kung mag-video kaya tayo. Chika, Kim.
But it's dangerous. Ipapasundo kita kay Baldo.
What is it about the stars? Is it like dating season?
Kim, may date kayo?
Ano? Kasama ko yung mga ate ko mamaya. Hindi ako pwede. Halika na. Mauna na ako sa van. Tara na.
Okay.
Tingnan mo to, tinatanong lang. Si Kim.
Ganyan yun.
See you later. Prepare for an amazing night.
Pag-ibig na naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko. Ngunit
Boss, kailangan niyo pong tulong? Patayin niyo po muna.
I tried to make something special for you like I promised, but...
Nasunog po.
Cyrus Castillo, I see na nakarating na sa inyo ang investigation ko. Is that why you're here now?
Tcharan!
Wow, that looks really good.
Bakit po?
You have something on your face.
If you feel the same way, let me in your